Hello everyone, I'm Edison Dwi Junianto from class 19.2b.04. Now I will explain about software and operating system, and then I will explain about hardware. Now to the software first. Explanation of software and operating system. Explanation. Software and operating system are essential components of any computer system. Software refers to the program and instruction that tell a computer what to do, while operating system or OS are the core of software that manage the computer hardware and enables other software to run. An OS acts as a bridge between the user and the hardware, providing a platform for applications and other programs to interact with the system. Software. The definition of software. Software is a set of instruction or code that tell a computer how to perform a specific task or process. And the type. Software can be broadly categorized into system software and application software. System software. This type of software is designed to manage the computer hardware and enable other software to run. It includes operating system, device, driver, and system utilities. Application software. This type of software performs specific tasks for the user, such as word processing, web browsing, and image editing. Example: word processor, like Microsoft Word and Google Document. Web browser, like Chrome, Firefox, or Safari. Operating system, Windows, macOS, or Linux. Operating system or OS. Definition: an operating system is a type of system software that manages a computer hardware and software resource, providing a platform for other programs to running. Function: resource management. The OS manages and allocates the computer resource, such as the CPU, memory, storage, and input or output device. User interface. The OS provides a user interface, e.g., graphical user interface or command line interface that allow user to interact with the system. File management. The OS manages the storage, organization, and retrieval of files. Process management. The OS manages the execution of different programs and processes. Example: Windows from Microsoft, macOS from Apple, Linux various distribution, Android like Google, iOS is Apple. Relationship between software and operating system. The operating system acts as foundation of other software on a computer. Application software runs on the top of operating system using the OS to access hardware and resource. The OS provides the necessary environment and service for application software to execute. Conclusion: system software is the basic software that runs your computer. It controls all the parts inside the computer and makes sure they work together. The most important system software is called an operating system. It helps you use your computer to connecting you to the machine part. The operating system also lets you run the other program on your computer without system software, especially the operating system. Your computer wouldn't be able to do anything. Next, we talk about hardware. Let's go. Hardware. Explanation about hardware. Hardware definition. Hardware refers to external and internal device and equipment that enable you to perform major functions such as input, output, storage, communication, processing, and more. There are two types of computer hardware: external and internal. External hardware device include monitor, keyboard, printer, and scanner, whereas internal hardware device include motherboard, hard drive, and RAM. General hardware. This category includes all physical equipment across the industries, from manufacturing tool to household appliances, while not exclusive to IT. General hardware serves as the backbone of many operations, enabling productivity and innovation. Examples include industrial machinery, LOT device, and even medical imaging equipment. Network hardware. Network hardware connect device, enabling communication and data transfer. These components are critical for any IT infrastructure but serve as supporting role to the more versatile computer hardware. This category includes router, direct internet traffic between devices, switch, manage data flow within a network, firewall, protect system from cyber threats like a malware or virus. Peripheral hardware. Peripheral hardware refers to external device that expand system functionality while not essential for basic operation. Peripherals significantly enhance user experience and productivity. These are typically accessories or add-ons, most related to the computer hardware, such as input device, keyboard, mouse, scanner, output device, printer, monitor, speaker, external storage, USB drive, external hard drive, internal computer hardware component. First, motherboard. This is printed circuit board that holds the central processing unit and other essential internal hardware and function as the central hub that all other hardware components run on. CPU. The CPU is the brain of the computer that processes and executes digital instructions from various programs. Its clock speed determines the computer performance and efficiency processing data. RAM or dynamic RAM is temporary memory storage that makes information immediately accessible to program. RAM is volatile memory, so stored data is cleared when the computer power off. Hard drive. Hard disk drive are physical storage devices that store both permanent and temporary data in different formats, including program, OS, device file, photo, and anything you want to in there. Solid state drive or SSD. SSD are solid state storage devices based on non-flash memory technology. SSDs are non-volatile, so they can safely store data even when the computer is powered down. Optical drive. Optical drive typically reside in a device drive by. They enable the computer to read and interact with non-magnetic external media such as compact disc, read-only memory, or digital video disc. Heatsink is a passive piece of hardware that draws heat away from components to regulate or reduce their temperature to help ensure they continue to function properly. Typically, a heatsink is installed directly atop the CPU, which produces the most heat among internal components. Graphic Processing Unit or GPU. This is chip based to process graphical data and often function extension to the main CPU. Network interface card. A NIC is a circuit board or chip that enables the computer to connect a network, also known as a network adapter or local area network. It typically supports connection to an Ethernet network. External hardware component. There is a mouse, is handheld pointing device that moves a cursor around computer screen and enable interaction with objects on the screen. It may be wired on or wireless. Like I use this is wireless. And keyboard. The keyboard is input device featuring a standard QWERTY key set that enable user to input text number or special character. Microphone. A microphone is a device that translates sound wave into electrical signal and support computer audio communication. Camera. A camera captures visual image and streams the computer or through a computer network device. Touchpad. Touchpad is input device external into a laptop used to control pointer or on display screen. It typically alternative or external mouse. USB flash drive. USB flash drive is as external removable storage device that uses flash memory and interface with computer through the USB port. Memory card. A memory card is type of portable external storage media, such as a complete used to store media or data file. Example of output hardware component: monitor, printer, and speaker. Headphone, earphone, earbud, similar to speaker. This device provides audio output audibly only to single listener. So if you want to use to so much people listening about you, I communicate to speaker, not headphone or earphone. Thanks for watching and see you next time. Thank you. Bye bye.